Hi everyone, welcome again. I've had a look at these wireless chargers for our phones, and it fascinates me, the technology. You know, people say it's so simple, some say it's just like a transformer or two coils put together, I don't know. Anyway, long and short of it is this: I've got some idea of how it's supposed to work. So what I thought I'd experiment with the flower pot and the clock. Quartz clock. Yeah, I still haven't let go of that, and I think I've got it working. Very minute difference of power transfer, but let's have a look anyway. I think it's working. I'll show you what I've done. So this is the setup I'm using. This is the flower pot. I'm using not a battery but a solar power. That's right, it's solar power. That's why we're only getting very slight energy coming through, but this is giving me the solar power here right now. So this is the solar power, and this is the coil of the clock that I had dismantled before, the pendulum clock. So I'm just using this part of the coil. I'm not touching this side at all, because I don't want to break it up, to be honest with you, but this is a really fine wire, and I need to use this fine wire to get something out of it. So I've just roughly connected. I'm not sure which wire I've connected to what yet. Yeah, I'm not interested in that because I've experimented with it and it works nicely. So I don't think you'll see this at the moment. Let me just set it up, then I'll zoom in to show you how it works. So basically we got the coil inside here. Let me show you. There's a coil inside there, right? And the coil on here, I'm going to put it on top. So you got the wireless, wireless something. Here we go. So if I just, oh, by the way, I put a diode as well in series with the coil to get a DC supply going there. So connecting this diode here. Seems like it's going to come off in a minute. Let's just stick it down. Connect the diode here. One end is connected to the blue wire there. The other end is connected to the diode. Now, if you watch this movement here, it's on what, millivolts or something like that. Yeah, millivolts. When I put this inside here, it should change. It was changing before, but the light outside is very dim. It's gone very dim at the moment, so I need more light coming in. It's going to 0.1 at the moment, but it was more than that. Okay, I have to wait for the light. Right, I've set it up so I could do some kind of experiment. Now I'm not sure if I'm getting wireless energy or not, but you guys can judge this. This is reading 0 at the moment, and this is connected, as you can see, with a diode to that, and then this one. So basically these two wires are going right through the coil, and this is as you can see, the flower pot thing. I've got my light on over there. So I have to put this to 200 millivolt or something like that. So it's very low power energy indeed. So watch this now. If I put this there, it's showing something. 1.8 now. But what I found is at times I took this off here and that showed more, and at times obviously I put it on there and it shows a bit more that way. So I'm not sure exactly what's taking place here. Now I also know that the capacitors are still connected to this, so whether it's picking up energy and just taking it off there at that time, I'm not 100% sure now. But this is the interesting part. This is away from here. If I should take my light and shine it onto the solar panel, you can see this is going to 6.7 point, and if I should put it out the view a bit, shine it on. Look at that 10 point something. Can you guys see it? And this is this far away. Move it closer, it gets less. So I do not know what's happening there, but that's a really strange effect I'm getting here, guys. So if anybody knows what's going on, I'd love to know myself. What's happening? Am I getting wireless energy there, or is it just nonsense? And I wonder if the capacitor's been charged up while near there and then discharging when I'm away from there. I wouldn't know unless I take the whole coil off, totally off the circuit here, and try it that way. Well guys, I tried to do LED and stuff to try and see if I could measure the minute power, if it is being created there, but I'm not sure on that. So anybody have any comments and tell me if this is right or wrong, I would appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Take care.